Hi guys, welcome to my channel Cody. In the last tutorial, I showed you how to create an manual free shipping discount, and over there you had to manually enter the discount code and had to click on apply to get free shipping. So guys, if you see, the shipping price was 50, and when I applied the discount code manually, I got free shipping. Now let us create a automatic free shipping discount code in Shopify. And guys, we don't need to enter the shipping code discount anymore. So let me remove this. Now let us refresh once and then let's go back to the discounts. Over here, I need to click on create discount. Now I'll click on free shipping. Guys, in the last tutorial, I showed you to select the option called discount code and we had entered the title manually over here. Now, let us select automatic discount. Over here, we just need to enter a title. Note that this is not the discount code. This is just the title. I'll say title as free shipping unlocked. So I have entered the title called Free Shipping Unlocked. I'll then select the countries as India. So I'll search for India and I'll add it. Then purchase type I'll select as one time purchase. Then I'll exclude the shipping rate above 100 rupees and also I'll enter the minimum purchase amount as rupees 500 and then I'll click on save. So there we go. Now I have created successfully automatic free shipping discount. Now guys, let us open the checkout page of the website. Now let me refresh this page. So guys, if you see, I have refreshed the page and there we go guys. I didn't apply any discount code over here. If you see, there is no discount code which is applied over here, but I have automatically got the free shipping over here. My shipping price was rupees 50 which I had to pay, but I have automatically got free shipping. And if you see, the title that I had added, that was free shipping unlock, is also shown over here, free shipping unlock, and I have got this free shipping. This is how you create automatic free shipping discount in Shopify. Guys, similarly you can create also on your Shopify website to increase the sales. Guys, I hope this video was helpful to you in learning to create automatic free shipping discount. If you guys loved this video, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications into my new videos, and please share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you.